I don't think it's right for me to say how people should think about investing, but I can share with you what I think about investing. To me, it would be a shame if you would sell it at only double. Investing is entering into a long-term strategic partnership. We will learn through 4 real-life case studies: Titan, Jubilant Foodworks, Symphony, and Star Health Insurance. I think of my portfolio in 3 different buckets: clear leaders, near leaders, and emerging leaders. We felt that it would be very difficult for anybody to create value in the insurance that is provided by the government. So we chose to not assign any importance to that market. Hi, I'm Utpal Sheth. Come learn how to evaluate companies and their potential with me.